Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Visa gift card on DoorDash. So if you also want to use Visa gift card on DoorDash, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DoorDash application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here DoorDash application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Creating the account on DoorDash is very simple. After you create the account, make sure you're logged into your account. DoorDash is a food delivery service that connects customers with local restaurants and delivery drivers. Through its mobile app or website, you can browse a variety of restaurants, order meals and have them delivered directly to your location. So if you also want to use Visa gift card on DoorDash, it is very simple. For that, what you have to do is look at the top right corner. Over here, you'll be able to see several icons. You'll be able to find the icon for account, notification and cart. What you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the first. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your account interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for profile, payment methods, business profile, addresses, saved, my rewards, notifications, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for gift cards. Once you find the option for gift cards, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If any gift cards are available for you, it will be displayed over here. So if you want to use the Visa gift card, what you have to do is tap on the redeem option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is enter the gift card PIN. Simply tap on this box that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is enter the gift card PIN of your Visa gift card. Now after you enter the PIN, what you have to do is tap on the option redeem to your account that you can see right over here. After that gift card will be redeemed. So that is how you use Visa gift card on DoorDash. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.